welcome to Dice Rolling Simulator. So now let's create the loops, while loops that we will continue while. Let's write here true to make the program repeat many times. Let's change the place of this to because it will repeat many times, and we want it to print one time. Let's start here and here. Then let's write print print uh, the random number is and let's add then the variable which is number. Now let's write if statement if let's ask the user a question that he want to roll the dice again or not. So, and now let's use the if statement if the word yes in a continue, it's mean print. Let's write print enter continue. And else right break. So let's see if the program work or not. So we have here error. So let's see that b is equal to true. Let's say here while b is equal to true. So the program work directly. Welcome to Dice the Rolling Simulator. The random number is 1. Do you want to try again? Let's write yes. So it's work. Let's write. If we write now, the program finish it. Let's make an space here for to be more better. Yes. As we see, it's choose generate random numbers from 1 to 6. So let's say now. So the program finished. Thanks for watching and wait for. Hi all, today we will see how to make dice roll simulator using Python to learn basics for beginners. So let's start. So first, we will need the library random. So we will import the library. Import random. Now we will create a new variable which is number, and then is equal to random point, random 0 from 1 to 6. So this function random point random is used to generate a random number between 1 and 6, and you can change the values as you want. So now we will print something to the users of the program. Welcome to